Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Toyota Yaris IA. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.